Have you ever seen a gadget that made you stop and say, wait, that actually exists? Well, get ready to have your mind blown because today, we're diving into 10 kitchen gadgets that are so unique, so inventive, you won't believe they're real. From turning your breakfast into a work of art to making your life in the kitchen way more fun, these gadgets are unlike anything you've ever seen before. Let's get started. Imagine adding ketchup or mustard to your burger like a pro by literally shooting it out of a gun. The Condiment Gun isn't just a quirky gadget, it's a fun and efficient way to dress up your meals. Perfect for barbecues, parties, or just spicing up dinner at home, this gun allows you to load your favorite condiments into cartridges and shoot them right onto your plate. It's as satisfying as it sounds and makes meal prep feel like a game. Remember the joy of roasting marshmallows over a campfire? Now, you can bring that experience indoors with the microwave s'more maker. This clever gadget allows you to create perfectly melted s'mores in just seconds, right in your microwave. Its clever design uses a water reservoir to help regulate cooking so you can melt your chocolate without overcooking your marshmallow. The arms keep your contents together and your expanding mallow under control. S'mores have never been this easy, or this fun, to make. Chopping garlic is often a tedious task, but the Garlic Zoom garlic chopper changes everything. Just pop your garlic cloves inside, roll the device on your countertop, and voila! Perfectly minced garlic with minimal effort. The Garlic Zoom is not only incredibly efficient but also strangely satisfying to use. Just a few rolls and you're done. It's a gadget you have to see to believe. What if you could spray lemon juice directly from the fruit itself? The citrus juice sprayer makes this possible. This innovative gadget screws directly into a lemon, lime, or orange, turning it into a spray bottle for fresh juice. Perfect for salads, seafood, or even cocktails, this sprayer gives you a quick and easy way to add a burst of citrus flavor to your dishes. Say goodbye to the hassle of spreading cold butter on your toast. The automatic butter sprayer heats and sprays butter evenly onto your bread, popcorns, or baking pans. Just insert a stick of butter, and the gadget does the rest. It's ideal for those who want the perfect butter distribution without the mess. This is one of those gadgets you didn't know you needed until you try it. Whole strawberries in a snap with the Strawberry Holler. This nifty gadget makes removing the stem from strawberries a breeze. Just insert it into the top of the berry, twist, and pull out the stem. It's perfect for making desserts, salads, or just enjoying strawberries without the hassle. Why settle for ordinary pancakes when you can create edible works of art? The 3D Pancake Printer allows you to design and print pancakes in any shape or pattern you like. Whether it's a fun shape for kids or a detailed design for a special occasion, this gadget turns breakfast into a creative experience. It's one of those gadgets that makes you think, wow, I can't believe this actually exists. Bagels are delicious, but slicing them can be tricky and dangerous. The Bagel Guillotine slicer takes the guesswork and risk out of the equation. Just place your bagel in the slicer, press down, and you've got two perfectly even halves. It's safe, quick, and gives you flawless results every time. You'll never want to slice a bagel by hand again. Square eggs? Yes, it's a thing. The egg cover lets you mold the egg into a perfect cube. First, hard boil your egg, peel it and pop it into the cover. Place the square squishier on top and screw the lid back on. Pop it into the fridge and leave to cool. It's a simple gadget that adds a bit of fun to your meals. Imagine serving up a salad or sandwich with square eggs. Your guests won't believe their eyes. Tired of tearing up your bread with cold butter? This 3-in-1 butter spreader knife is a versatile kitchen tool designed to enhance the experience of working with butter and other spreadable items. This multifunctional knife features a sharp edge on one side for easily slicing through butter, even when it's cold. The other side incorporates a perforated design that allows for curling the butter, which is useful for applying cold butter without tearing the bread. Made from stainless steel, this knife is a must-have for anyone who loves butter on their toast, bagels, or pancakes. These gadgets are as innovative as they are surprising. Which one caught your eye the most? Let me know in the comments below.